Hi guys, it's Marianne. I hope you're well. Check out these beautiful mung bean sprouts. So easy to make. You're not even gonna believe it. And why would I bother making sprouts? Well, they add a punch of protein to any food you're eating. If you're vegan or vegetarian, this is a great way to get protein. They're super high in fiber, and by sprouting them, we're going to increase all the vitamins. The vitamin A doubles, the vitamin B's in this almost 5 times. The vitamin C goes up. It has a ton of vitamins, of minerals. And the fiber is also good to help you with cholesterol. Look at this. This was half a cup of dried beans. And now I have it for days and days and days. Let's make this. So I have half a cup of washed mung beans in this strainer. I'm gonna cover these with water and soak them overnight. I am placing a colander over a bowl. And inside, I'm going to place a cotton dish rag. And we're going to pour our mung beans that soaked overnight in here. Notice that they have grown quite a bit. Now, we're going to get rid of the water in the bowl. And we're going to cover these. Now we're going to wet the top of our kitchen towel with some cold water. And go ahead and get rid of that water. All right. Guys, we're going to cover this with another towel, and we're going to put it in a dark place. Every 12 hours, I will come out and wet it just like I did. I'll show you one time. And in 4 days, we will have the most beautiful sprouts. As I told you before, we're going to wet this every 12 hours, so every morning and every night. So let's soak it in water. Now, one thing I did not tell you is I put 2 small plates on top of this to weigh it down. And that's so that the excess water comes out. And then off it goes into its dark corner. Let's check our sprouts, guys. I started this on Tuesday. Today is Friday, so 4 days. They're perfect. Beautiful. I like eating these as is, as a snack. I love putting them on my salad. Obviously you can use them for stir fries, put them on soups. They're just delicious. When you're stir frying, you don't need to cook them much. Just put them in at the end. They'll give your food a nice crunch and also add a lot to the nutrients.